Hey guys, here at Sierra Recycling Demolition today, my buddy Mark Sanchez, former NFL quarterback, here to learn a little bit about the recycling industry. So we do mainly industrial accounts for recycling, but we do also buy back from the public. What do you do with your old washer and dryer?
When you're moving or something like this?
You can bring it into a yard like us and get some change in your pocket.
Oh wow!
So all this wire gets stripped down.
Like old extension cords and everything.
Everything. Recycle
so it's somebody's job to strip all that out, or you got a machine to do that?
If it's like a large, like this kind of material, we'll probably run it through our own wire stripper here. And the plastic goes one way, and believe it or not, that plastic can get grinded up and recycled in the right applications.
Unbelievable. Holy cow. Well, that's like a champagne thing.
Yep. All your stainless steels.
Oh. Dirty martini, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's incredible.
Get you to the big boy stuff over here.
Oh my.
This is a baler that we make. It's called the REV, R-E-V, Recycle Everything Baler. So all your cardboard that you throw away in your recycle bin at home.
Oh, look at, he's taking out some of the stuff.
A lot of that's going to go to your local MRF to be cleaned and sorted, and a good chance it's going to go through a Sierra baler.
That is wild. Dude, and it wraps it and everything. That's so cool. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, we can go here and take a look.
Might find me a new set of rims in here.
There you go. We do a decent amount of rims. I mean, we get everything from defects to wrecked vehicles, you name it. Yeah, that guy had a bad day.
Wow.
So here in this facility, one of our main things is metal recycling.
Yeah.
We do papers and plastics.
So it goes in that and comes out this? Or
this machine right here, the 1100 chute.
Oh, whoa.
And that's a machine, sorry. That's a machine that we build and sell across North America, actually all over the world. What it does is you take any of your big metal, you put it in there, and it prepares it for the steel mill, so it can be remelted back into new.
And even if it's rusted, it doesn't matter?
Yeah. I mean, rust on the steel degrades it, but you mix it in with other materials and you're gonna get the quality of the chemistry that you need to make new steel.
Oh, dude, there's the old appliances.
Yep.
Oh. What is all this wiring? What is this?
This is all coming
like
out
barbed
of
wire?
No, this is coming out of the grape vineyards, out of the farms. Yeah, so you can see the old grapes still on it, grapevines.
Oh, wow.
So they have the stakes that are metal in the ground, and then these wires run, and that's what the grapes grow on. Yeah, this is a 1100, so it has 1,100 tons of cutting force when it comes down.
What?
What's happening, buddy? How you doing? I'm good, how are you? Show Mark here what we do, so.
No, wait, that's my bike.
Yeah.
Can I go get that?
We have more over there.
What?
Got a good amount of scrap in there.
Oh, I gotta film it.
So you can see everything. So it scrunches it up, and these are also machines that we make and sell for the industry. And
dang,
it gets it like this, and you'll close it, and we can go around to the other side, and you'll see it being cut into a mill-ready spec. That way it can be melted down into new.
oh, that's all stuff that's been through here.
Yeah, that whole side's been processed.
And then you'll send all that to a yard, or to
all that to a steel mill, yeah. I'm gonna have you do this one.
Oh my. That is so cool.
Here you go, buddy. Your turn to operate this sucker.
Oh.
There you go, dude. So this is the one to close it.
Curved door.
Yeah, curved door and flat door. And you can do both.
Do that one first?
One at thing.
Like that? Oh. That's it? This one?
Yep. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh! Whoa. Mucho gusto. Gracias. That's awesome.
Good to see you.
It just cuts it and shoots it out.
Yep.
Oh man. Those pipes didn't stand a chance. Oh, we got a jam.
Nope, it's gonna cut right through that.
That is so wild. Oh. Dude, unbelievable.
Metal shavings coming out of a machine shop.
Yeah, they look like
Millions of different things, right? Like,
look like pencil shavings.
yeah. Nothing goes to waste.
So smart. Okay, here's your cardboard deals.
Yeah.
Boom, into boxes. Oh.
So all this material, whether it's cardboard or some of the high-grade non-ferrous metals, plastic, aluminum cans, all of that goes through our 2-ram balers, and this is the finished product. So when they get it, you can sell it to any steel mill, paper mill, plastic processor, and these bales are gonna weigh about 1,600 pounds, and it's a mill-ready spec to either go in to be made into pulp to reuse for paper, or for plastics, can be melted down to remake the same kind of plastics. Aluminum cans be melted down, remake the aluminum cans.
Jeez.
Like all this kind of stuff too. I mean, it's endless. Just all these day-to-day things you never really think about. I mean, look, aluminum extrusions, aluminum siding. This is stuff coming out of, like, you know, your window frames just in your house.
Yeah.
You know, you've got miscellaneous everything that is separated, cleaned into the right commodity. This is aluminum irrigation pipe coming out of any of the farms, you know, that use irrigation pipe, even ranches that, you know, once it goes bad, it's not trash. It's not garbage.
Wow. Look at all these wires.
Yep. All insulated copper wire.
Well,
4,900 pounds of it. Well, Mark, thanks for making the time. You know, it's funny, we met through boxing.
yeah.
So it's just kind of funny how small of a world it is, which led you here to Bakersfield today to kind of see what I do for my work, what my family does, and what Sierra does for the recycling industry. Just want to thank you for coming out, seeing what we do, and being a part in it. Any thoughts off the top of your head, just seeing? I mean, I know it's a lot to take in one visit. But
It was incredible. I think I didn't realize, and I don't think many people realize, the brevity and the scope of recycling, because you just think like, okay, I'm going to put this bottle in a blue waste bin that says recycled, but you don't think about where it goes and what it becomes eventually. And you don't realize it's not just aluminum cans and bottles, but like you said, all that scrap metal and all the machines that go into it. The depth of this industry is really cool. So thank you for opening my eyes to something new, and giving me a new perspective on stuff. This was incredible. Thank you.
Awesome. Well, thanks for coming, Mark. Appreciate it, brother.